Hello everyone, today we learn what I do when I am hungry, I eat. When I am thirsty, I drink. When I am tired, I sleep. When I am cold, I shiver. When I am hot, I sweat. When I am bored, I play. When I am lonely, I call my friend. When I am happy, I smile. When I am sick, I stay in bed. When I am well, I go outside. When I'm strong, I lift weights. When I'm weak, I rest. When I'm smart, I learn new things. When I'm scared, I hide under the covers. When I'm excited, I jump up and down. When I'm generous, I give away things. When I'm selfish, I think about myself. When I'm patient, I wait. When I'm impatient, I get angry. When I'm grateful, I say thank you. When I'm ungrateful, I complain. When I'm hopeful, I dream of the future. When I'm hopeless, I give up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you everyone.